Welcome back, candle enthusiasts. In today's lesson, we'll embark on a journey into the fascinating world of natural waxes. These eco-friendly options, derived from renewable sources, are a popular choice for conscious crafters. We'll explore three prominent natural waxes: soy wax, beeswax, and coconut wax, delving into their unique properties and how they influence your candle creations. Soy wax, the eco-friendly champion. Soy wax reigns supreme as the most popular natural wax. Made from soybean oil, a readily available and renewable resource, it boasts several advantages. Clean burning, soy wax burns cleanly, emitting minimal soot compared to paraffin wax. This translates to a healthier burn for you and the environment. Long burn time, craving long-lasting candles? Soy wax generally offers a longer burn time than paraffin wax, allowing you to enjoy your creation for extended periods. Natural appeal, soy wax has a beautiful creamy white color and a smooth texture, adding a touch of elegance to your candles. Moderate fragrance throw, soy wax offers decent fragrance throw, but it may not be as potent as some other options. Experimenting with fragrance concentration or blending with other waxes can enhance scent diffusion. Things to consider with soy wax. Frosting. Soy wax is prone to frosting, a white crystalline appearance that develops on the candle surface. While harmless, it can affect aesthetics. Using the right pouring temperature and adding specific additives can minimize frosting. Container adhesion. Soy wax may not adhere as well to certain containers as some other waxes. Using additives or testing different container materials can help achieve optimal adhesion. Beeswax, nature's luxurious gift. Produced by honeybees, beeswax is a natural wonder with a rich history in candle making. Here's what makes it special. Luxurious look and scent. Beeswax boasts a beautiful golden color and a subtle honey fragrance, adding a touch of luxury to your candles. Long burning. Similar to soy wax, beeswax offers extended burn times, ensuring your candles last. Natural air purifier. Beeswax candles are believed to act as natural air purifiers by releasing negative ions that may help neutralize airborne pollutants. Things to consider with beeswax. Limited fragrance throw. Beeswax naturally has a lower fragrance throw compared to other options. Blending it with soy wax or using fragrance oils specifically designed for beeswax can improve scent diffusion. Higher cost. Beeswax is generally more expensive than soy wax or paraffin wax due to its natural production process. Availability. Finding high-quality beeswax may require sourcing from reputable beekeeping suppliers. Coconut wax. The fragrance powerhouse. Derived from coconut oil, coconut wax is another natural favorite, particularly known for its exceptional fragrance throw. Let's explore its strengths. Excellent fragrance throw. Coconut wax excels in holding and releasing fragrance oil, creating candles with potent and long-lasting scents. Clean burning. Just like soy wax, coconut wax boasts clean burning characteristics. Good adhesion. Generally, coconut wax adheres well to various container materials, making it convenient for crafting. Things to consider with coconut wax. Soft texture. Coconut wax can be quite soft at room temperature. Blending it with a firmer wax like beeswax or adding specific additives can create a desired consistency. Melting point. Coconut wax has a higher melting point compared to soy wax or paraffin wax. This requires adjusting your pouring temperature for optimal results. Availability and cost. Similar to beeswax, finding high-quality coconut wax may require sourcing from specific suppliers. The cost might also be slightly higher than soy wax. Choosing the right natural wax. Now that you've explored the unique characteristics of soy wax, beeswax, and coconut wax, it's time to decide which one suits your candle making needs. Here are some key factors to consider. Desired burn time. If long-lasting candles are your priority, both soy and beeswax are excellent choices. Fragrance strength. For potent scent throw, coconut wax reigns supreme. But if a subtle honeyed fragrance aligns with your vision, beeswax is a lovely option. Consider blending waxes if you seek both extended burn time and strong fragrance. Appearance. Soy wax offers a classic creamy white look, while beeswax adds a touch of golden luxury. Coconut wax generally blends well with other waxes, allowing for customization. Sustainability: soy and coconut wax are both derived from renewable resources. However, consider your sourcing practices for optimal environmental impact. Budget: soy wax is generally the most affordable option.